Hi everybody, it's Jason Hewish. I got another review. I really love the food on the Cool Beans truck. They have like specialty coffee. They have like lemonade and they have iced tea and specialty coffee and everything. How much I enjoyed it because I have a free coupon from Tom Vesley, who's friends with these girls that run the Cool Beans truck. They're the Dusick family. Thank you for the cookies. I really enjoyed them. I had like oatmeal raisin, and also I had cinnamon rolls, and they're the best. I enjoyed them so much. Thanks. You know, the Dusicks know how to treat their treat their customers well, and they'll have return business just like that. Well, I'll talk to you soon, everybody. And the coffee was great too. It wasn't too strong, and they know how to make a double double to die for. I really loved it. Well, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.